Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ram 1500 versus the Silverado 5.3. We will explore their performance, interior features, and overall value. First, let's look at what powers these popular trucks. The Ram 1500 often features a powerful Hemi V8, while the Silverado is known for its reliable 5.3-liter V8. Each engine offers distinct advantages for different driving styles and work requirements, making your choice depend on your priorities. Moving inside, both trucks offer impressive cabins, but with different philosophies. The Ram 1500 often boasts a more luxurious feel, with available large infotainment screens and upscale finishes. The Silverado, on the other hand, prioritizes practicality and durability, providing a comfortable and straightforward workspace. Both include modern technology and safety features, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience for you and your passengers. When it comes to getting work done, both trucks are highly capable. The Ram 1500, depending on its configuration, can tow over 12,750 pounds. The Silverado, with its 5.3-liter V8 engine, also offers impressive towing, often reaching 11,500 pounds. Payload capacities are also robust, with many models handling over 2,000 pounds. Your specific needs for towing and hauling will heavily influence which truck is the better fit. Finally, let's consider overall value and reliability. The Ram 1500 often comes with a slightly higher price tag, but its luxurious features and strong performance contribute to good resale value. The Silverado, particularly with the 5.3-liter V8, has a reputation for being a workhorse that lasts for many years, offering excellent long-term reliability. Both trucks are fantastic choices, depending on whether you prioritize luxury or rugged dependability. Be sure to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.